Hey everyone, Denise here and welcome to 50 Friendly Fitness, where we're bringing to you another great workout for your butt and your thighs, chosen specifically for those who are overweight, those who haven't worked out in a while, or those in my age group 50 and above. I've done these myself and they're perfect for those who just want to start exercising. So I'm going to turn it over to our featured expert today, Brightside, and they're going to show you 9 different moves that you can do that will target your butt and your thighs. It's a great workout. I hope you enjoy them.